Hello, David at One Reviewers, and welcome back to another review. Today we've got the Connects Ferris wheel to review. It's $10, 13 inches tall, includes one minifigure and 206 pieces. That was the front of the box, and the back of the box, you can see there's another set called the Swing Ride, which I do plan on getting sometime and also reviewing that, so don't worry. So that's pretty much the entire box. Let's move on to the set. Here's the entire set. And let me just quickly get the minifigure off of the thing. Wait, give me just 1 second. Okay, so here's the minifigure. As you can see, it has a nice face print, a blue cap, a gray shirt that says Connects, and black pants. Overall, it's kind of a cheapish plastic figure, but anyway, moving on to the Ferris wheel. It is 13 inches tall. It has a handle to it right there. You can move the wheel. It does have a handle. It spins nicely. You can swat it and keep going. Also, I got a Lego Batman here, Lego Batman, to show you that it is compatible with Lego figures. It is compatible. Give me a second. Let me use this one so I can show you. As you can see, wait, what? There we go. Right. There you go. It is compatible. Batman can sit on it. And pretty much all other Lego figures can sit on it. Overall, this is a great set. I know this is different from Lego, but I thought I had to review this because of its just overall quality. One thing I don't like is how loose it is. It's how loose some of the pieces are. Sometimes they can come off, but overall, not overall. The weight is being too light. It's lightweight, really lightweight. Sometimes pieces can fly off, but other than that, it's a great set. If you see it, I do recommend it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like me on Facebook and follow me on the Flickers. Goodbye.